2 weeks, 8 pieces of content, and countless insights into how SMEs can make AI work for you. From 5 affordable tools through ROI measurement frameworks, we've covered everything you need to start transforming your business with artificial intelligence. Let's take a quick look back at our journey. Week 1, why 72% of businesses are adopting AI. 5 specific tools you can use for under $65 a month, and the costly mistakes that derail 78% of implementations. And week 2, how to create a clear AI roadmap, the truth about job impact and team preparation, and how to measure ROI like a pro so you can justify expansion. You now have more AI business know-how than 90% of SME owners. The question is, what will you do with it? Here is a 90-day action plan you can use to implement AI into your business. Days 1 to 30, the foundation phase. Week 1, complete the AI readiness assessment. Score yourself honestly across people, data, process, and culture. If you score under 12, focus on preparation before adding tools. Week 2, audit your workflows. Find the 3 most time-consuming, repetitive tasks. These are your best pilot candidates. Week 3, research and trial one AI tool from our recommended list. Start with the one that tackles your biggest time drain. Most software offers free trials or low-cost entry tiers. Week 4, set up measurement, set up an ROI calculator and record your baseline metrics before you start. You can't improve on what you don't measure. Target by day 30. Have one AI tool running, baseline metrics in place, with clear success criteria set. Next, days 31 to 60, the expansion phase. Week 5, review your pilot. Is it saving the time you expected? Is your team adapting? Any surprises? Week 6, add your second AI tool. Suggest that you choose one that complements the first. Week 7, begin team training. Use the free resources we shared to build AI skills across your organization. Keep it practical and not overly technical. Week 8, document your processes. Simple guides make adoption faster and reduce support needs. Your target by day 60, have 2 AI tools live, full team trained and confident. Ensure you have documented what you have found to be the best practices for your company. Days 61 to 90, the optimization phase. Week 9, integrate your AI tools with existing systems via Zapier, APIs, or manual tweaks. Week 10, expand measurement and reporting. Use your ROI calculator to prove value and spot optimization opportunities. Week 11, plan your next phase. Which new AI capabilities could have the biggest impact? Start researching. Week 12, remember to celebrate wins, share results, recognize the early adopters, build enthusiasm, and set your next phase roadmap. Your target by day 90 is to integrate AI workflows with proven ROI and create a clear plan with realistic goals for the next quarter. Success visualization. It's a bit like playing golf where you imagine your shot going. Picture your business in 90 days. Your team saves 10 hours a week through AI automation, time you can reinvest in strategy and customers. Operating costs drop 15% while service quality improves. You can show clear ROI to any stakeholder and make the case for continued investment. Now your staff are confident AI users, competitive in today's job market, and excited for what's coming next. You've built a sustainable competitive edge that will grow over time. This isn't wishful thinking, it's what happens when SMEs follow this framework step by step. So, what's the first AI tool you'll implement? Fun fact, making a public commitment increases your follow-through rate by 67%. This AI series is just the first pillar of modern business strategy guides we'll be covering on Strategy Simplified. Next week, we'll launch our omnichannel marketing guide, how SMEs can compete across multiple customer touchpoints without enterprise-level budgets. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next series. Until the next time, keep simplifying your strategy. Thank you.